All right, so what we're doing today is we are changing the oil on the Coleman CT200U. All right, let's get started. All right, here's what you're gonna need. Oil, owner's manual says you need 10W30, your choice on that. You're gonna need a 13mm wrench and you're gonna need a 10mm wrench. If you wanna be clean, you need to get a set of gloves. But you're also gonna need, this just came in the mail. Let's see what we got. Ta-da! Oil catch pan. And last but not least, you're gonna need a filter to put the new oil in. Let's get started. So on the right-hand side of the mini bike here, right here on the bottom, you're gonna find your oil drain plug. So what you're gonna need, you're gonna take your 10mm, put it right onto here, 13mm. If you can, squeeze it on in there. All right, and let's break this. Just like that. All right, get that loose. Slide your oil catch pan underneath. And let's go ahead and drain this out. If you haven't already, I did. Do start up the mini bike here, the Coleman. Let it run for a couple minutes. Let it get nice and hot. It's going to make it flow a lot easier. All right, do this. All right, now we're just gonna let that drain.
A few moments later.
All right, once that's done, go ahead and just dab up the last drop or so. You're gonna want to put a new crush washer on, best practice, and let's go ahead and thread this one back on. Okay, hand tight first. Let's go ahead and just wipe that around there. Perfect. And now let's go ahead and just make this snug. You do not need to over tighten it. All right. So now that we've drained all the oil out of it, you're going to go ahead and close back up the oil drain plug. You're going to go ahead and grab your funnel. You're going to grab your oil. You're going to undo the cap that's right on here on the oil fill, and then we're going to go ahead and fill this up. Now, Coleman does say that it takes 0.63 quarts or 0.6 liters. So don't pour the whole thing in right away. All right, I'm going to add just a tad bit more. Trying to get to at least that halfway mark between the high and the low on the dipstick. And then after I'm done with this, the only thing left is to basically for me to take it off the lift here, pull it outside, fire it on up, let it run for a couple minutes, get the new oil kind of all over all the crevices and everything like that. Then you're going to want to let it cool down. And then the only thing after that is just kind of do one final check on the dipstick here. Just make sure if you're still in the good, in the range where you want to be. And then once you're satisfied with that, you're all good. And that's it. That's basically how you change the oil here. This is the Coleman CT200U, but it's pretty straightforward on any other mini bike or anything like that. So other than that, have some fun, enjoy it, get some riding done, and we'll see you guys on the next video. All right, take care. Bye.